officer. Where are you going? What's up, dude? Do we need the odd squad?
I'm the odd squad.
You're the odd squad.
This say the odd squad, the policeman. Bye.
Are you here to save the day?
Yep.
You here to serve and protect?
Yes.
Yes.
So I have to go. Bye.
Bye. You've got an open door.